Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram auto back problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. For solving this problem, first of all, long press on Instagram app, tap and hold, then tap on I button or app info, tap on storage, tap on clear data, clear cache, OK to confirm. Go back to previous page, tap on app permission and make sure your all permission is allow all permission one by one. Call logs, camera, contact, location, microphone, nearby device, notification, phone, then photos and videos. After allow all permission, then go to Play Store and search here Instagram. Update your Instagram to latest version your Play Store or App Store. Then open your Instagram app. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem easily. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.